Yogyakarta, Indonesia, is a city of culture, a city of artists surrounded by beautiful nature. A city that has inspired the birth of beautiful masterpieces. Among them is the product of Racak furniture. Racak Furniture is a furniture company originated from a family company, then continued growing and surviving up to 3 generations until now. Our first company, named Ude Prima, was built since 1970 in Madura Island. In 1997, we changed our label to a new one, Racak Furniture. In 2000, we started to establish and develop our company in Yogyakarta, and it is until now. With our experiences working in wood and furniture industry for 3 generations, we were experimented to make furnitures with recycled teak wood. We produced furnitures with unique characteristics, and it only can be found here.
CV Racak beralamat di Jalan Ringroad Selatan, nomor 133, Bangun Harjo, Sewan Bantul, Daerah Istimewa Yogyakarta. Saat ini kami memiliki 2 warehouse dan 2 showroom. Yang pertama beralamat di Jalan Randu Belang, yang kedua berada di Jalan Imogiri Barat, KM 4,5. Produk furniture yang dihasilkan oleh CV Racak berasal dari bahan-bahan bongkaran rumah atau recycle yang terdiri dari kayu Jawa, kayu jati, kayu nangka, kayu mahoni, dan lain sebagainya. Dalam proses produksi, kami masih menggunakan teknik yang tradisional dengan mengkombinasikan teknik modern sebagai ciri khas dari produk kami.
Manufacturer of handmade and combined with traditional and modern techniques constitute our identity.
CV Racak telah bersertifikat V-Legal atau sertifikat kayu legal sebagai wujud kepedulian kami dalam melestarikan alam di Indonesia.
Racak Furniture uses recycled teak wood as the material in all of their products. This is Racak Furniture's manifestation to preserve nature in Indonesia. With teak wood as the main material, the products from Racak Furniture will surely be durable for many years. We work alongside skilled and professional workers in their fields. By combining traditional and modern techniques, Racak Furniture produces unique and appealing products. Traditional techniques are still used by Racak Furniture to give a traditional touch of Yogyakarta. However, Racak Furniture still allows room for innovation to keep up with the times while preserving the cultural identity of Racak Furniture.
Produk yang kami buat berupa meja, kursi, almari, kaca, hiasan dinding, dan lain sebagainya. Dalam proses memproduksi, kami mengedepankan kualitas serta melakukan inovasi secara berkala untuk menjaga loyalitas konsumen.
We put a lot of attention in the quality control of our products to make sure they are well received by our customers, bringing happiness into the living spaces of their homes. Racak Furniture prioritizes customer satisfaction, which is why they make sure that their products pass proper verification prior to distribution. Racak Furniture believes that a solid team will produce extraordinary works of art. We always do our research on our customers' satisfaction, customers' desires, and the latest trend to bring innovation into each of our products. With the unique touch of Racak Furniture, which was inspired by Indonesian culture, especially Java, we want the world to know that Indonesia has a strong characteristic in its works of art. One of the many things that can certainly introduce Indonesia to every corner of the world is furniture products with great taste in arts and culture. It will undoubtedly introduce the extraordinary natural assets that Indonesia has. With typical Indonesian raw materials that are durable and strong, the international market will recognize Indonesian furniture as one of the best in the world. This is what motivates Racak Furniture to keep producing good quality products.
Target pasar CV Racak saat ini melakukan penjualan secara lokal dan melakukan penjualan secara ekspor. Kami telah mengekspor ke berbagai negara di Eropa, misalnya Prancis, Belanda, Italia, Jerman, dan lain sebagainya. Selain itu, kami juga mengekspor ke negara di Amerika Serikat. Kapasitas produksi CV Racak untuk saat ini kita dapat memproduksi 4 kontainer dalam waktu 1 bulan.
From raw materials, product designs, product manufacturers, and even finished products themselves, we would always put our close attention to the details of every single process we take. We also continuously seek for innovation in every design that we will produce without neglecting our very own characteristics. We have already exported our finest product to several countries. We do hope that our products will continue to develop and reach new markets all over the world. Therefore, we would definitely continue to maintain our quality from the production process to the delivery process, making sure our products arrive in the hands of our customers with such a great care. Racak Furniture, filling the home with the beautiful creation of wood.